The future of weather forecasting is taking flight.
Flies straight up and straight down, and this one's capable of getting a measurement up to 20,000 feet in a bit less than 20 minutes.
We know forecasters have a lot of tools at their disposal, but one spot that information can be lacking is the area above our heads.
Forecasters describe it as it's kind of like putting on glasses for the first time.
And that's because here in Oklahoma, weather balloons get atmospheric readings twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, which leaves a big gap.
Everything that happens on a severe weather day is developing in the middle of that, and that's really where we're not getting any data up above us.
The Mesonet tower you see behind me, that's as high as those weather observations go on a regular basis. But with this new drone technology implemented throughout our state, we're going to be able to measure over a kilometer into the air, observations that only a weather balloon could easily get before. They can be released at twice their vertical speed and with greater frequency throughout the day. Better, faster, and more frequent data gets ingested into computer models, making them more accurate for meteorologists to use.
What we've already seen is that's able to improve the lead time on thunderstorm development forecasts, as well as predicting some more mundane things like when the fog will lift that might affect things like solar energy generation.
Talk to us about the idea of using these drones.
Automated weather drone technology, where we can start sending up drones on demand and as we need, gives us a lot more data and a lot more flexibility about how we can measure the atmosphere.
So be able to get the drone to come on back home and then reuse it time and time again. Again, it's just the advancement of technology, and this is more of what we need as we continue to learn about our weather and how we interact with it on a day-to-day, hour-to-hour basis oftentimes. So, Brad, it's amazing work. Can't wait to see what continues to come of this.